JB.
This right here is called kindling. For all the folks that don't know, for all that do know, congratulations. Big mama.
Hard in the French in the lyrical sense. If it don't make dollars, then it don't make sense. Family growing thanks to the dick. Fan base growing thanks to the spit. Foes all over, I'ma run shit. New crib purchase for me and my bitch. Pop outside like, look at this shit. To the whole fam like, look what I did. Work for my kids, not for the lanes. Learn from the pain, never trust this game. Intimidating tactics, get your foot backwards. Hands to yourself, get poked by the cactus. And maybe trip, that's what they say. That's alright, cause I still get paid. One of these days, you'll understand what it be like to look up for your fam. See, you don't understand what it's like. You ain't no nigga up again. They think our life is all about money, beating hoes, and it's all about survival.
Right, watch your hand.
Understand what it's like. You ain't no nigga up again. They think our life is all about money, beating hoes, and it's all about survival. I spit like my life depends on this, depends on it. You twist this shit, then they run with it. From multiple businesses, I get my grip. Close your lips and stop bumping them gums. See, we don't do dumb shit where I'm from. Stacks and funds, counting ones. Spray that gauge like a Tommy gun. Wanna isolate me, niggas, you crazy. Money on the book, she forever my lady. He just see, because she'll see late. Means a white girl when I had my baby. Shit ain't green, but it stick. How many niggas you know spit like this? How many niggas you know bone that grip when it comes to this rap shit? It's all common sense. Mom off the bitch, ready to play ball. And niggas still play big, even though we not tall, even though I got more flows than you. Less than the internet to get my dough. Know how to sit on it and let it grow. Know how to load a locker, let go. Talk shit, get it down. Tone nigga got kids grown, no love lost. I'm used to being on my own. Big nigga now.
Yeah, we do.
Are they cool? Yeah, we do.
Like that, my niggas, they love to hear me spit these raps. Swipe kneecaps, watch me rap. Give me 3 feet, nigga, please stand back. Swipe kneecaps, watch me rap. Give me 3 feet, nigga, please stand back. Yeah. See, you don't understand what it's like. Me and a nigga up again. They think our life is all about money. It's all about survival. See, they don't understand what it's like. Me and a nigga up again. They think our life is all about money, weeding hoes, when it's all about survival.
Genius. Think you bad? Come sit me.
Very clear to me sitting out there today that every decision
It's been tried by many, but never, ever, ever.
my life is the complete opposite of everything I want to do. Every instinct I have.
Collect like that. Sit box right.
Hits in my life, from my children to my wife, for the things that I done and not to try to help proceed on the corner of the streets, rocking the niggas' beats. The things that I sing, or the things that I look, if you didn't mind your business, it's funky where you live, they made money off of sin, and if there's a hurdle, like that
Better say, don't use up all the camera film and battery charge, because we about to run out of gas. We need to videotape all these niggas pushing.